How are you guys? Today I bring you a spectacular video where I'm going to try to make some money with a single dollar without cutting part of the video and using a single strategy. The strategy that I'm going to use is number 6 that is on my channel. For those who didn't see it, I will explain it briefly throughout the video, but I will leave the link in the description in case you want to look at it later. Since there I explain well the configuration of the indicators and other details. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you a way to earn $50 passively in a few seconds, which you can use to trade or wherever you want. I'm talking about real money, not coupons or anything like that, so stay until the end. Okay friends, in this strategy we are only going to use two simple indicators, the fractals and the ATR bands. As you can see, I only have $1, so I'm going to start looking for good entries. Okay, here we start with the first entry. If I had grabbed it before, it would have been better, but it can still be good. This strategy, like the other strategies that can be found in the channel, are based on technical analysis. That is, we work with the graphs of the currency pairs and different indicators that help us predict their rise or fall. Great! Now let's find another entry. The strategy is based on selling or buying when a fractal appears on the chart and also cuts to one of the ATR bands. In the previous operation, the fractal that had cut the ATR band appeared much earlier, but it's better to perform the operation as soon as the fractal appears. In this way, the operation will be more effective. As you can see, here the fractal appeared and cut to the ATR band below. This tells us that a buy must be made. Well, let's find another entry, so I continue to explain the strategy. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to learn new strategies. Every time I'm going to bring you better and very effective strategies. I'm even studying some with a 97% effectiveness, so stay tuned to the channel. Okay, here the fractal appeared and cut the ATR band above, which indicates a 1 minute sale. In this case, you can see that the fractal is of another color. It isn't green like the candle. This tells us that it has a better chance of lowering the price. Therefore, when the fractal is of a different color than the candle, more effectiveness is going to have the strategy. Operation 1. I'm going to find another currency pair where there may be a good entry. Here there is one. This operation is very similar to the previous one. The fractal that appeared is red, therefore it's very possible that the price will go down. So far we have been winning thanks to this strategy. In the description I leave the links of the brokers that I use, which are IQ Option and Pocket Option. There is also the link to my Telegram channel in case you want to join. Well, here I already found another entry. This time it's a buy, as the fractal cuts the lower band of the ATR bands. The fractal is the same color in this case, but you can see that the candle had a bullish force, so I made the operation. It's going well. We won. There, another fractal appeared. Oh, it just disappeared, so I'm not going to perform the operation. Let's find another entry. We already have $24. The fractal reappeared in this currency pair, so I'm going to perform the operation. As you can see, the candles we use are 1 minute as well as the expiration time, to be simpler and not complicated. Let's try to bring the account to $3,000. What do you think? I believe we can. It was pretty close to tying. The price was coming with great upward force. We can still bring the account to $3,000, so let's keep looking. Here is a good entry. I made the purchase within a minute and the price bounced in a great way. We are doing well, guys. As I always tell you, operate when the profit is high, as in this case the profit is 90%. When you make investments like this, it could be said as compound interest. A good profit is very important, since in the long run it will make a lot of difference in the results. We see that the operation is going well. the general trend of the graph is bearish, so it can be a winner. Cool. Guys, we already have the account at $169. Let's keep looking for operations. Here is a very good entry. Just another fractal appeared, but I don't think it affects the operation because the graph has a bearish force. It's always good to see the trend of the asset with which we are going to operate, because if the trend is down and we make sales operations, there will be more chances that we will win, and if the trend is up and we make a purchase, the same. As my idea is to get to $3,000 or maybe even $5,000, I will also catch the signals that are against the trend, so we do it faster. I found a good entry here, although if you look, my trade goes against the trend. Since the trend is down, that is, the graph is going down, and I made a purchase. Here we have another entry. We already have $1,000, guys. Here is a good opportunity, since in addition to the fractal appearing, the graph is in a downtrend. Oh, the connection is failing me. 1. Another fractal appeared on the chart of the same currency pair. I'm going to risk doing the operation against the trend, since I trust the strategy and I have tried it many times. My connection doesn't want me to win the operation. Retry now. Great. What do you think if we do one last operation and go for $5,000? If I get $5,000 with this strategy, this video deserves your like and that you share it with your friends. Let's keep going. I hope the connection doesn't fail in this last operation. Well, I invested $1,500. I like that green candle. I think the operation is going to be a winner. Yes! Okay guys, my account is now at $5,000 in just a few minutes. Remember that in the video that I leave you in the description are the settings of the indicators and the strategy explained in detail. Okay, now I'm going to explain what I promised you: how to earn $50. Many people have told me that they don't have the money to start operating, so I found a way for you to earn that money, and if you don't want to operate with that money, there is no problem, since you can use it for wherever you want. It's real money. These aren't coupons from the brokers that some people offer. Some time ago, I started using a cryptocurrency bond called Celsius. There, you can have your money in stable cryptocurrencies. That is, they are worth the same as the dollar or other more valuable cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. For leaving your money deposited there, they pay you interest every day. That is, you can earn interest every day without doing anything. It's a compound interest, which means that you can earn more and more. If you join Celsius with the link that I leave in the description and put my referral code, then if you deposit $400 in cryptocurrencies and leave it there for 30 days, you will get $50 in Bitcoin that you can withdraw whenever you want and convert it to dollars. In 30 days, you will already have $450 more the interest that we generated every day while you left your money there. Whenever you buy cryptocurrency, it has to be from an account or card in your name. It's that easy, guys. Any questions, leave it to me in the comments. Here I leave you more videos and see you in the next time.